Across the United States, a growing number of individuals and families are finding themselves at the same breaking point. The combination of rising housing prices, unpredictable utility bills, and a widespread yearning for a quieter, more lifestyle is driving people to search for alternatives to the traditional city living model. Retirees who once dreamed of a peaceful retirement are seeing their budgets consumed by property taxes and heating costs. Young professionals are discovering that homeownership feels increasingly out of reach, and families are questioning whether the high expense and noise of urban life are truly worth the trade-off. In the midst of this shift, Tesla has stepped forward with a vision that doesn't simply scale down a conventional home or replicate the prefab designs already on the market. Instead, it offers an entirely new concept of what a living space can be, one that is adaptable, intelligent, mobile, and accessible. Built not to force its occupants to settle for less, but to empower them to live better and more freely. The 2026 Tesla Tiny House embodies this vision by combining transformable interiors, advanced renewable energy integration, and a compact footprint that feels far more spacious than its dimensions suggest. Inside, fixed walls are abandoned in favor of modular sliding units that can reconfigure the layout in seconds. These panels glide smoothly along magnetic rails, powered by silent brushless motors, enabling the space to shift from a relaxed lounge to a focused work area, an artist's studio, or a comfortable sleeping arrangement with a single command. Control is intuitive either through an integrated touchscreen or via a companion smartphone app, and each transition is fully automated. Tesla's solar-powered energy system ensures that every transformation is supported without strain on resources, allowing for a living environment that changes as often as the needs of its occupants. Tesla's approach to the rooftop sets it apart from traditional solar installations, which are often fixed, inaccessible, and purely functional. Instead of treating the roof solely as an energy collection point, Tesla has transformed it into a usable living space. Here, residents can grow plants, relax under the sun, host a barbecue, or simply enjoy a quiet moment in an elevated garden. The solar technology is seamlessly integrated into this lifestyle design, merging functionality, sustainability, and human comfort into a single structure. Studies have shown that adaptable environments like this can significantly improve focus, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. By merging engineering innovation with principles of behavioral science, Tesla has created a mobile home that is not only efficient but emotionally satisfying. Beneath the design lies a remarkable set of hidden technologies. At the heart of the interior transformation is a precision-engineered smart automation system. Unlike conventional smart home solutions that primarily control lighting, climate, or entertainment systems, Tesla's setup focuses on physical space reconfiguration. Drawing from the robotic precision of Tesla's gigafactory production lines, the home uses industrial-grade components adapted for domestic use, capable of maintaining positional accuracy within 0.02 millimeters. These high-tolerance mechanisms allow foldable beds to extend using telescopic actuators, desks to retract into walls on linear guides, and partitions to slide smoothly with minimal resistance. The entire system is managed by a closed-loop feedback network with embedded sensors, enabling real-time adjustments to prevent misalignment or collisions. This level of precision means that moving walls, transforming furniture, and rotating sections remain smooth, quiet, and durable even after thousands of cycles. The home's durability is further reinforced by its structural frame, which is built from the same 30x cold-rolled stainless steel used in the Tesla Cybertruck. This alloy offers tensile strengths exceeding 860 megapascals and exceptional corrosion resistance, making it ideal for environments ranging from humid coastal regions to dry high UV areas. The rigid nature of the material provides the foundation necessary for mounting the precision sliding systems and ensuring that mechanical components remain in perfect alignment over years of use. Tesla's engineering minimizes mechanical play and vibration, meaning the moving parts maintain their accuracy without becoming noisy or unstable. This structural solidity allows the tiny house to feel as premium and permanent as a conventional residence, while retaining the flexibility of a mobile structure. Noise and vibration control inside the Tesla tiny house rival the performance of professional recording studios. The floor and roof are constructed from advanced 5-layer acoustic panels that draw inspiration from aerospace and EV battery housing designs. Each panel integrates high-density fiberboard, viscoelastic damping layers, and a recycled aluminum honeycomb core to provide both strength and sound isolation. These panels are tuned to absorb frequencies in the range of human speech and common household noises, producing an interior noise level of just under 25 decibels, quieter than many libraries. Additional vibration-insulating pads at structural contact points dramatically reduce the transfer of movement, making it possible to run a washing machine at full spin without disturbing someone working or recording audio in the same space. This quiet environment becomes part of the home's overall comfort, enhancing productivity, relaxation, and sleep quality. The roof is more than an energy generator, is a multifunctional platform capable of supporting over 400 kilograms per square meter. Tesla achieves this through a layered design that includes aluminum honeycomb structures beneath tempered glass solar tiles, ensuring both strength and weather resistance. This means the rooftop can safely accommodate gardens, water tanks, or seating areas without risk of damage. Integrated rainwater collection channels feed into fine stainless steel mesh filters, allowing clean water to be stored in underfloor tanks for irrigation, cleaning, or toilet flushing. This feature reduces reliance on municipal water supplies and enables long-term off-grid living, even in regions with irregular rainfall. The system operates largely through gravity, requiring minimal power to function, and complements the solar power setup to make the home self-sufficient. Control interface reflects the same philosophy found in its vehicles: seamless, responsive, and centralized. Inside the home, a flush-mounted touchscreen serves as the primary hub, with controls replicated on a mobile app for remote access. This interface unifies the control of lighting, temperature, layout configuration, and power distribution in real time. The software is likely based on a custom Linux platform, allowing for stability, security, and over-the-air updates. Unlike many smart home systems that rely heavily on cloud services, Tesla's solution processes commands locally, ensuring faster responses and greater privacy. The separation of general computing functions from cryptographic and mechanical control mirrors Tesla's strategy in its iPhone, further enhancing security. Energy management in a structure this size must be exceptionally efficient. Tesla integrates its solar roof with the Powerwall 3.0 to maintain energy independence. The solar array produces up to 9.6 kilowatts of power under ideal conditions, while the Powerwall provides 13.5 kilowatts of storage capacity using lithium iron phosphate cells for better thermal stability and deeper cycling capability. Together, they allow the home to operate entirely off-grid for up to 2 days without sunlight, depending on usage. The system's intelligent energy management dynamically allocates power based on real-time demands, predicted weather conditions, and user patterns, even scaling back non-essential loads when needed to prioritize critical systems. One of the most attractive financial benefits of the Tesla Tiny House is the potential to avoid property taxes in many states. Because it qualifies as a mobile or non-permanent structure, it can bypass the traditional tax requirements applied to fixed residences, particularly in places like Texas, Florida, and Oregon. For owners, this can mean annual savings of thousands of dollars. Combined with the elimination of rent and utility bills thanks to its self-sufficient systems, the initial purchase price expected to be between $15,000 and $25,000 could be recovered in just a few years. Tesla plans to launch production by the end of 2026, with initial deployment likely centered in states where the company already has large-scale production capabilities. Using its proven modular manufacturing techniques from automotive production, Tesla aims to assemble these homes in under a week on-site, making them both scalable and cost-effective. The Tesla Tiny House is ultimately more than a compact dwelling. It is a carefully engineered living environment where walls respond to your needs. The roof serves as both garden and power plant, and silence is part of the design. It challenges the idea that a smaller home means a compromise in comfort, instead offering a kind of freedom that blends mobility, sustainability, and high-tech convenience into one cohesive experience. In a world where housing has become increasingly expensive and restrictive, Tesla's vision provides a compelling alternative, a home that adapts to you, wherever you choose to go.